Welcome to Watercolor Techniques with Jane. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to delve into painting palm trees with some pretty wild colors. Hope you enjoy it. Have a great day. So now I'm going to mix up some Hooker's Green Light with some cadmium yellow to make a really nice pale green. And here's my palette so you can see how I'm mixing it. Cadmium yellow, Hooker's Green Light. You have to try and mix up enough for whatever you're going to be using it for. And then I'm using a rigging brush which holds quite a bit of paint. And I start painting in the fronds. Just lightly painting in the first layer of fronds. This will be built up with several different colors. The next layer of palm fronds, I've mixed up the Hooker's Green Light with some alizarin crimson, which gives a sort of a less alizarin crimson than Hooker's Green Light so that it's not too brown. And I add that to the next layer of palm fronds, still allowing for some of the pale green to show through. And now we're finishing up the first palm tree, and we'll head over to the next one and do exactly the same thing. Go along each palm frond and add in that deeper color to add some more depth to those trees. The next layer, I'm going to add some vermilion green with the combination of the alizarin crimson and Hooker's Green, just to add some real depth and shadows to those palm fronds. And again, I'll go right over what you've already done, adding in that new color. Really adds a lot of depth. Don't forget to still leave some of that pale green showing through. If you get a little overzealous with your darker colors, go back in with some light green to have that show through, okay? And as a finale, I'm going to add some purple to this, just to make it a really deep and lush color to those palm fronds, and adding that serious depth to the center of those palm trees. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed this demonstration. I also do virtual watercolor gatherings, also on a monthly basis. And I also have some other demonstrations for sale on my website. So go and see me at janemayjones.com or at magicalearthwomen.com. But you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel now so you get updates from me regularly. Thanks, and have a lovely day.